Hello, it is now March and we have 4 great landscaping tips for you and your home in the Phoenix area. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. And the first tip is to put down a starter fertilizer. I'll be sure to add links for this and DIY videos on how to do this yourself in this video blog, whether you're watching on YouTube or on our website at AMSLandscaping. Also be sure to have images of an example of a starter fertilizer so you can use that as an example if you're at your local hardware store to pick some up. Next is increase water to your turf, to your plants, to your shrubs, your landscape, trees, whatever. We have a great link on our website at AMSLawns/watering, and it gives you all the watering recommendation for the Phoenix area based off what type of watering mechanisms you have. And I'll be sure to add that in the links as well below. The third is to put down a Preemergent. Now, Preemergent, homeowner version Preemergent, it'd be like a weed impede product or weed stopper 2. I'll be sure to add an image or a link of that here as well. And also put down, we actually have a video on how to do this yourself. And I'll be sure to add that link to that blog as well to this YouTube video, or if you're looking at this on our website now. And then lastly is just planting. Now is a great time to plant. It's planting season. You know, if you plant a shrub or a tree in the ground right now, it's going to get the best run of an established root system before it gets really hot in the summer months. And then going into the fall, it'll do well. And then the winter can be really extreme for some shrubs. So getting almost a full year before it hits that winter is really key. So I'll be sure to add a DIY planting video blog as well, so you can do that on your own. Of course, you can always reach out to us and we can get these things handled for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through our website at AMSLawns.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AMSLawns. Make it a great day.